It started as a whisper in the AI community, a small, unknown Chinese AI company that no one took seriously. But within months, DeepSeek AI has become the most downloaded app in the world, shaking up the stock market, sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley, and leaving OpenAI, Google, and even Nvidia scrambling to react. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what happened in early 2025. DeepSeek AI, an unknown name just months ago, suddenly took the world by storm. But how did this happen? And why is everyone, from tech billionaires to government officials, talking about it? Welcome back to Tech and World, your ultimate channel for the latest in technology and innovation. Here, we deliver smart insights, plain and simple. Let's dive in and explore. To understand DeepSeek AI, we need to start with one man, Liang Wenfeng. If you've never heard of him before, don't worry. Until recently, very few people had. Liang wasn't some Silicon Valley tech billionaire. He was a quant trader, someone who uses math and AI to predict stock prices. He co-founded a hedge fund called Highflyer Quant, making millions using AI-driven trading strategies. But Liang had a bigger dream. He wanted to build a super powerful AI that wasn't just for Wall Street but for everyone. In 2023, he started DeepSeek AI. And in just 2 years, he created something that would challenge the biggest names in artificial intelligence. DeepSeek R1 was a text-based AI model, and what set it apart was its sheer intelligence and efficiency. It wasn't just another chatbot, it was smarter, faster, and more intuitive than people expected. The R1 model outperformed giants like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini on several benchmarks, even passing the famous My Vibe test, an advanced evaluation that measures how well AI can understand and generate text naturally. Suddenly, people realized that this wasn't just another AI, it was a serious contender. And then, something incredible happened. DeepSeek launched its free AI app on the App Store, and within days, it became the most downloaded app in the world, even surpassing ChatGPT. Think about that, an unknown Chinese AI company overtook OpenAI, the biggest name in AI, in just a matter of days. The world had never seen anything like this before. Just when people were getting used to DeepSeek R1, the company dropped another bombshell. On January 27, 2025, they introduced Janus Pro, a revolutionary multimodal AI model. Unlike R1, which focused only on text, Janus Pro could understand and generate both text and images. Janus Pro came in 2 versions, a 1 billion parameter model for lightweight tasks and a 7 billion parameter model for high-end performance. But here's what really shocked the world. DeepSeek claimed that Janus Pro could outperform OpenAI's DALL-E 3, Meta's Emu 3 Gen, and even Pixar's proprietary AI on key benchmarks. And the numbers backed them up. Janus Pro scored a 79.2 on the MMBench benchmark, a leading test for multimodal understanding, beating out previous AI models. On the GenEval benchmark for text-to-image instruction, it scored 0.80, surpassing OpenAI's DALL-E 3, 0.67, and even Stable Diffusion 3 Medium, 0.74. What does this mean? Simply put, DeepSeek was now leading in both text AI and image AI. And they did it while making the entire system open source. With DeepSeek's sudden rise, the stock market reacted violently. Investors saw a new AI giant emerging, and they knew it would change everything. But the biggest shock came when Nvidia, a leader in AI hardware, saw its stock price drop by nearly 17% in a single day, erasing nearly $600 billion from its market capitalization. Why? Because DeepSeek developed its R1 model using just 2,000 Nvidia GPUs over 55 days, spending around $5.6 million. In contrast, models like GPT-4 from OpenAI reportedly cost about $100 million to develop. Despite the lower cost, the R1 model performs tasks at the same level as ChatGPT, proving that innovation doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. This raised a terrifying question for investors: do we even need ultra-expensive GPUs anymore? If AI companies can develop powerful models with cheaper hardware, then companies like Nvidia could be in serious trouble. And that fear sent billions of dollars shifting in the stock market overnight. Of course, this didn't go unnoticed. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, responded quickly, saying they had even better models in the works and would invest more in computing power. But was it too late? Even the US government took notice. President Trump himself commented that DeepSeek's AI should be a wake-up call for America to double down on tech innovation. Meanwhile, some critics raised security concerns, wondering if DeepSeek had any connections to the Chinese government. But so far, no evidence has been found. However, DeepSeek isn't without its challenges. Currently, it lacks certain features present in ChatGPT, such as memory functions and advanced voice capabilities. Additionally, there are concerns about content moderation, as DeepSeek has been observed to censor discussions on topics sensitive to the Chinese government. Data privacy is another consideration, with user data stored on servers located in China, which may raise privacy concerns for some users. DeepSeek AI isn't just about competing, it's about democratizing AI. Liang Wenfeng's mission is to make advanced AI models more accessible and affordable. This approach could lead to more inclusive and innovative AI solutions. So, where does this leave us? DeepSeek has proven that you don't need billions of dollars or massive server farms to build world-class AI. With cost-effective models, open-source innovation, and groundbreaking efficiency, they have changed the AI game forever. But the question remains, what's next? Will OpenAI and Google strike back? Will DeepSeek continue its meteoric rise? One thing is for sure, the AI race has never been this intense and the ripples are only just beginning. What do you think about this AI revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome updates from Tech and World, where we bring you smart insights, plain and simple. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.